Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, JDK 17 or newer, and get configured with your SSH key or token. Once done, create a GitHub repository and clone it into your workspace so files and version control are linked. Next, initialize a Maven or Gradle Java project immediately to establish structure. Add a concise Git ignore to avoid committing build artifacts. These steps get you from zero to a reproducible project layout while preserving committable history and clear build tooling. You now implement code and integrate continuous integration to keep quality high. Create src/main/java and src/test/java, write focus tests, and commit changes with concise messages. Frequent commits simplify troubleshooting. Then add a GitHub Actions workflow that runs your build, unit tests, and packaging on each push so CI enforces standards automatically. Also manage dependencies in POM, XML, or build. Gradle and apply semantic versioning for releases. This prevents you finish by preparing a release. Create an annotated Git tag, push it, and draft a GitHub release with concise notes so users know what changed. Publish artifacts via GitHub Packages or Maven Central and update the README and changelog so consumers can adopt the new version. If something breaks, focus on one troubleshooting tip. Inspect CI logs to identify failing tests or missing secrets, rerun problematic jobs, and isolate the unit that regresses before applying fixes and pushing a clean commit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.